Friday, May 17. There are results of family unity. The first works of Christians is to be united in the family, writes Ellen White in The Adventist Home, page 37. The more closely the members of a family are united in their work in the home, the more uplifting and helpful will be the influence that father and mother and sons and daughters will exert outside the home. End of quote. And then there's the secret of family unity, and this comes from page 179 of the same book. The cause of division and discord in families and in the church is separation from Christ. To come near to Christ is to come near to one another. The secret of true unity in the church and in the family is not diplomacy, not management, not a superhuman effort to overcome difficulties, though there will be much of this to do, but union with Christ. End of quote. And that brings us to our 4 discussion questions for this week. 1. Talk about the forces in your own society that work against family unity. What practical solutions can you offer to a family that is struggling against these influences? 2. Is there a family in your church right now that has come apart? If so, what can you do as a class to help each member in this crisis time? 3. Discuss this whole question of submission. How is it to be understood in a Christian context? In what ways has the principle been abused? And 4. What principles can you see in regard to family unity that can be applied to the idea of unity in the church as well? You have been listening to a reading of the Adult Sabbath School Bible Study Guide by Dr. Percy Harold from Queensland, Australia. This service is brought to you by Hope Channel, the Sabbath School Department, and Christian Services for the Blind. Remember, God is always faithful.